Which synonym belongs to plume? The correct answer is feather in one's cap. Which synonym belongs to abate? The correct answer is slacken. Which synonym belongs to glossary? The correct answer is clavis. Which synonym belongs to generality? The correct answer is ofteness. Which synonym belongs to severance? The correct answer is severance pay. Which synonym belongs to presumptuous? The correct answer is conceited. Which synonym belongs to staid? The correct answer is steady. Which synonym belongs to recess? The correct answer is hiatus. Which synonym belongs to genealogy? The correct answer is pedigree. Which synonym belongs to analogous? The correct answer is correspondent. Which synonym belongs to indigenous? The correct answer is connatural. Which synonym belongs to savoir-faire? The correct answer is know-how. Which synonym belongs to fumble? The correct answer is grubble. Which synonym belongs to implausible? The correct answer is unplausible. Which synonym belongs to piscatorial? The correct answer is piscatory. Which synonym belongs to atone? The correct answer is expiate. Which synonym belongs to cherubic? The correct answer is cherub-like. Which synonym belongs to remiss? The correct answer is lash. Which synonym belongs to impersonal? The correct answer is unipersonal. Which synonym belongs to glut? The correct answer is surplus.